courts will still be ruled by EU even after Brexit, warns senior Tory MP. Senior Tory MP Dominic Grieve said the European Court of Justice, ECJ, will remain a dominant presence in UK courts after Brexit despite pledges to break free from its influence made by David Davis. During a heated discussion with presenter Julia Hartley-Brewer on Talk Radio, Tory MP and barrister Dominic Grieve warned the UK it runs the risk of remaining under the influence of the ECJ if the government doesn't provide clear guidance. The European Court of Justice is, in fact, going to continue to be a really dominant presence in our lives even though we no longer have any ability to appear in it. Commenting on recent statements made by Lord Berger in regards to the Great Repeal Bill promised to the British public to guarantee legal continuity in the UK after Brexit, Grieve said, "What's happened is when we leave the EU, the government decided existing EU law would be incorporated into our own law. The legislation to be laid out in the autumn will lay out guidelines as to how this will operate. It may be we can improve the legislation when it goes through Parliament, but there are problems with taking a great blob of law and incorporating it into our own." The MP for Beaconsfield explained that issues of conformity may arise once EU law is incorporated into EU law. He said it is unclear whether judges will be able to apply UK principles when interpreting legislation derived from European Union regulation. According to him, the Great Repeal Bill would have to be revised because transposing EU law into the UK system as it is would leave judges uncertain on how to actually apply it in their courts. If ultimately we want our law, having incorporated EU law, to be broadly in conformity with what's going on so that we can trade with our previous EU partners, that's not going to be a satisfactory solution. Brexit Secretary David Davis had hit back at the European Commission for attempting to stop the UK from leaving the ECJ after Brexit in order to protect its citizens. During his visit to Prague last July, Davis said, "I don't think anyone has ever argued the British courts are anything other than trustworthy in terms of defending the rights of individuals." The Luxembourg-based European Court of Justice is the highest court in the European Union in matters of European Union law. As a part of the Court of Justice of the European Union, it is tasked with interpreting EU law and ensuring its equal application across all EU member states. The court was established in 1952 and is based in Luxembourg. It is composed of one judge per member state, currently 28 but 27 after Britain leaves. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe English News Hub for new excited videos.